Hey guys, welcome to Fresh and Fab Friday at HomeGrown HomeSewn in Cincinnati, Ohio. Up first, I'm so excited. It's BoHo Haven, guys, by Fancy That Design House. Can you tell I just love it? This is my pick. This is Fancy That Design House from Moda. I love it. I don't really know what else to say about it, except it's just so good. We do have the Sunlit Quilt pattern available here using BoHo Haven, and I think we're going to kit this for the next Sunday show, which is not this weekend, but the following weekend. So it's going to be so pretty. Just so you know, the +1 patterns for my new quilts are in shop now. They're packaged, they're labeled, they're ready to be made. So buy them. And then next we have, this is Kindness. We have 2 different panels. This is Deb Strain for Moda. We have, this is the mist background. And then exact same thing in what they call dogwood. It's creamy. It's creamy. It's not white. It's creamy. And then look at all these stunning prints. Oh my gosh. It just screams springtime and wedding and Easter and lightheartedness, and oh, it's great. And then she has some of her solids in here that she's had in previous lines that are just perfection. Okay, so I'm not gonna throw those there. They're in a big clump. Okay, we're gonna walk this way. Aren't we walking this way? Okay, yeah. And then we did want to show you guys, we swapped our AGF and our Bella solids around because we got 50 new colors of Bella. The goal is to have them all. I don't know how far we are toward that goal. I feel like we're a good chunk in, but I haven't counted them recently. But we did get 50 new colors. They're all here mixed in. These are a couple of other basics with Moda as well. So you can check out all these. They're super fun. We do not have a show this Friday. We are off. So we'll see you. I'll see you hopefully Tuesday for this Tuesday See and Shop show with Mom at 2:30. Caleb has a show on Thursdays at noon. And then we'll be back the following Sunday, which I think is the 22nd. Also, February 23rd, that evening, we are having a binding class. Brenda, who works here in the shop, is our teacher. I will be there to assist, and we are going to teach 3, maybe 4 different binding methods. So you can sign up for that class. Spots are limited because there's only so much space. Bring your machine. If you don't have one, we can lend you one. So sign up for that. Also, last and certainly not least, we're hiring. We need someone. We are a retail shop, so weekends are a work day for us. Just keep that in mind. It is a fun environment. It is fast-paced. It is mental gymnastics half the time with yardage going around everywhere. So if you are interested, please email us info@homegrownhomesewn.com. That's all. Until next time, happy quilting. Bye.